Welcome to Cooking with Barry. Today we're making an easy St. Patrick's Day minty shake. Start this sweet treat by adding 3 cups of vanilla ice cream to a blender. We know, Barry, that does look delicious already. Then pour 1 cup of whole milk over the ice cream and add 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. Next, carefully add 9 drops of food coloring for that perfect St. Patrick's Day green. Set the blender on high until ingredients are well mixed. Now pour into your most festive mug or glass. Top with whipped cream. Obviously taste testing to be sure it's good. And don't forget to share with your kitchen partner. Now sprinkle with green sanding sugar for a colorful finish. And it's time to enjoy. Cheers and happy St. Patrick's Day!